When you're syndicating, the syndicating laws are federal. They're governed by the SEC, right? So that's a national issue, right? So you can have one attorney that is sort of covering that department of legal issues nationally, right? And then there's going to be local state laws, right? So we're selling a deal right now in Memphis on which the transfer of what's called a pilot license is very important. Now, the pilot license is unique to Shelby County. So you need Shelby County Council attorneys to help with that. So there's going to be some local law issues on which your attorney, if you have a kind of a corporate counsel, is going to say, hey, we need to have a local counsel for this issue. But generally, we have one attorney that does our contract negotiations and our securities issues.
And to be clear, you don't have to understand everything in a PSA, right? You hire an attorney to be the expert in that, right? Rely on them, give them the benefit of the doubt, ask good questions, but assume they know what they're doing. You don't have to do all that work, right? Have people who are competent with good reputations who will do a lot of that work and provide you kind of feedback and risk things that they think they see in the contract.